Remove the parts from the box and verify they are all there. Use your shipping package as a workbench. Lay the seat pan upside down on the shipping carton and attach the arms button side out with one silver screw each. Attach the back to the seat pan using the 3 black screws. Hand start all 3 screws before tightening. Attach the casters to the base by firmly pushing in. Put the cylinder into the base with the white cap up. Line up the seat and back assembly onto the cylinder. Push firmly with the knee to seat the cylinder. You are now finished.